Yung medical dispensary, very significant siya sa mga sundalo natin. Sila yung tumutugon dun sa mga pangangailangan na medical ng mga sundalo natin na nasa mga isla or nasa mga barko.
Ang ginagamit lang po nila is either rubber boat or maliliit po na bangka. Pag nasa isla sila, syempre sila lang po doon. Nagre-rely lang po kami na naturuan po namin sila ng first aid bago po dinadala ng isla. At communication lang po. Kung ma-improve po yung dispensary, magiging mas maganda po yung capability namin na makapagbigay po kami ng magandang services sa military.
Our foundation, established by the visionary late founder Tatang Henry C. Sr., has remained steadfast in its commitment to transforming lives and creating a lasting impact on communities throughout our beloved nation. By providing accessible healthcare, we aim to contribute to breaking the cycle of poverty and inequality that plagues our nation. Let this health center serve as a reminder that progress should be inclusive, leaving no one behind in our collective journey toward a brighter future.